Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's recipe, I'll be showing you what you can use for high blood pressure and stomach ache. This is what I'll be using. I'll be using ginger. I have 2 ginger here. Ginger can help you for body pain. Ginger reduce high blood pressure. Ginger works for high blood pressure. It reduces body pain. If you find it difficult to sleep, ginger can help you to relax and make you to sleep. This is turmeric. Turmeric works for stomach ache and work for heart disease. I have garlic. I'll be using 5 seeds of garlic. Garlic works for high blood pressure and work for heart disease, and it cleans your heart. I have lemon wash your body system and cleans your body system. This is what I'll be using for today. I will combine all these 3 together and blend it. This is ginger, turmeric and garlic. I will set this lime aside. We will use it later, not now. The first step is to peel the ginger and turmeric and garlic. This recipe is very good for high blood pressure and those that find it difficult to sleep. It will make you to relax. If you have onions, you can use it. Black onions, you know, the black onions, you can use that as well, but I don't have it. I'm not going to use it now because I don't have it at all. I'll be using what I have. You can add 1 as well. 1 onions is okay. If you don't like onions, you can skip it. Don't use it. But if you like it, you can use 1. Add the water. It's time to blend it. Pour in a pot and cook for 5 minutes. Add in more water. Allow it to cook for 5 minutes. I will allow this to cool down before adding the lemon. I'll be throwing this away. Just need water. Time to add the lime. I'm using one. I just cut it. Mix with a spoon, just mix it. You can see, this is it. You can store it inside your fridge. Just put it in a container. Put it inside the container and store it in your fridge and keep it. It can last for 1 week and be drinking it. If you want to drink it, don't fill the cup, just put it here. I think just take it here and be taking it every day. As for me, I normally take it in the evening if I want to sleep. Depends on the time you want to take it. You can take it. I take it in the evening if I want to sleep. I just take it just put it in this length and drink. Don't fill the cup. I just want to use this one as example. This is it. I will just, what I will do is to put it inside my container. I will do it now and show you. See it? I've put it inside the container. I will fill it and put it inside my fridge and leave it for 1 week or 2 weeks, depends. Thank you all for joining me. Please don't fail to subscribe and share this video. As you can see, my YouTube channel has been monetized. I will use this time to thank every one of you that take your time to come to watch my video. Anytime I am playing my hairless, you always come to support me on my hairless. I thank you all. May God bless you. I don't know you, you don't know me. I just thank you for showing me love. Thank you all for showing me love. I thank you. May God bless you all for your support, for making me to monetize my YouTube channel. I thank you all for supporting me. Thank you all for watching my video. I thank you all for always coming to watch my hairless. I thank you those that contribute much time, those that contribute little time. You are all the same in God's side. That is why I'm thanking you all equal. I thank you all equal for supporting my YouTube channel, for always coming, for watching me, for coming to watch my hairless. May God bless you all. Thank you. Until we meet next time. Bye.